In this video, I'll be explaining to you how do you cancel old price. As you can see my data, we have given some items over here. Company name is there, quantity is given to you, old price is given to you, and the new price. So I would like to cancel the old price. So for that, you just have to select this old price and press this button of yours from your keyboard called as Control and number 5 from your keyboard. So that will cancel the price for it. If you want to get back again to normal, you can press Control and number 5 from your keyboard. So if you press again Control and number 5 from your keyboard again, select the range, Control and number 5 from your keyboard, it will again get back to normal. Again, if you want it, again press Control and number 5 from your keyboard. So I hope you have understood this video, and don't forget to follow my channel so that you get more tips and tricks about Excel and Tally with Sushil. Thank you.